importante, dala-dala ninyo ang inyong paggalang sa kapwa ninyo. Malaking bagay na yun para sa atin. Dahil ba yung honors student? Tama po?
Yes.
Sundin at mahalin ang mga magulang natin.
Proudly present these 149 graduates who have successfully completed the requirement of their respective tracks and are now candidates for graduation.
Congratulations, graduates. By the authority vested by the Department of Education upon the recommendation of the faculty of the Senior High Department, I hereby confirm the following students have EBM, 53 graduates. Humanities and Social Science, U, 76 graduates. Technical Vocational Livelihood, TVL, 20 graduates. A total of 149 graduates now confirmed as completers of senior
Marty, academic achiever.